Well, first and foremost, I want to thank you, everyone, for a very interesting day. Hopefully, everyone got a lot out of it. I do have a couple of notes. So we had some technical difficulties this morning with Senator Schmidt's presentation. So we're going to make some modifications to our schedule for tomorrow and let Jack go right after I open up the session tomorrow. So we'll be making some adjustments to our schedule, but we'll make sure Jack has a chance to finish his presentation. And secondly, I just wanted to point out that today and tomorrow were sort of different. So today was more about the sort of broader regional trends and implications for many of the different candidate landing regions. But tomorrow will be more looking very closely at specific regions. And so I'm looking forward to it. It should be a very different kind of day, different sort of discussion. So it should be fun. So with that, I know we're 2 minutes past the end of the session, so I'll just close today's festivities, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And great set of talks for day 2, or deep dives into the specific regions. So thanks very much. Appreciate everyone's time and everyone's efforts for today's session.